Hi, welcome back to our channel.
This week we're going to be talking about social media dangers.
You should be aware of it, because you should also be careful.
Some people may not think about it.
It could be scary. Whoa. Let's hop into it.
Hop into it.
Whoa.
Willam Morgan, go! And now we're going to Will and Kira, and they're going to be talking about social media dangers and showing us how to make these Halloween treats.
Welcome back to Cooking with Will. Today we're here with Kira. We're making some Halloween treats.
Today we're making Rice Krispie Treat pumpkins. To make these, we'll need 6 cups of regular Rice Krispie Treats, food coloring. We're using Reese's. You can use Rolos, Reese's peanut butter cups, and then a pan and some marshmallows. So first we're gonna put
half a tablespoon.
No, this is like 4 tablespoons. Half of 1 stick into a pot, which is on like medium, lowish heat. And it's gonna melt fast. And we're gonna put our marshmallows in there. You want to continuously stir the marshmallows so that they don't stick and burn to the pot, because it's going to get really sticky really quick and really hot really quick.
Our lesson is about social media danger.
Okay.
Do you have any thoughts on it?
Social media, it surrounds a lot of it can give you a lot of mental illnesses. It can give you depression. You can have stress from it. There's also a lot of bullying online because people like to hide behind.
It can affect your sleeping qualities and your habits for it if you are on the technology for too many hours.
Not to mention scams and predators.
Catfish.
Yep.
Anxiety. Bullying.
Now it's time for the dye. We're gonna put like 2, maybe like 4 drops. That was like more than 4, but that's it. And this is what is going to make it look like pumpkins. Oh, that's perfect. Now we're going to put our 6 cups of Rice Krispie Treats right into the marshmallow mixture and start mixing.
We just want to let people know, just be aware of social media danger. It can be really, really dangerous out there.
When making a social media account or even downloading a social media platform, you should, if you're a child or minor, you should always talk to
your parents about it.
An adult in your life, and just know so that they know what you're doing and what you have. And don't ever put your personal information on any of your accounts. And don't accept anybody's follow requests you don't know. If they're a stranger, don't ever accept them. Even if they are somebody you know, you might want to confirm that it's actually them, because a lot of people, there are a lot of fake accounts and a lot of bots,
Yeah.
a lot of scams.
That's a really good point. Okay, try to catch him. Let him get away.
Because it's gonna get really sticky, and we're gonna get a clump. Oh, that's really hot. It's really hot.
Oh, that's gross. That's really gross. Oops. It's like pumpkin spice, to be honest.
Yeah, it's like getting a pumpkin.
It's worse than slime. Are you serious?
And it's, the Reese's peanut butter cup is gonna play as a stem.
Chocolate stem, nice. Clean.
And now that we have a whole pan, we're gonna let it chill for a few minutes so that it doesn't melt our chocolate. We're just gonna put some stems and some leaves on these. Grab them. And I'm gonna put the Reese's upside down so that it looks more like a stem. And there you have a pumpkin Rice Krispie treat.
Thank you for coming out and showing us how to make these awesome treats and talk about social media babies.
My pleasure. That was good. That was really hard for me to get out.